Hello guys, welcome to my another video tutorial of Java. In this video I'm going to discuss about constructors. The constructors are in Java are a special method which has the same name as that of a class name. It also helps us to initialize the object of a class, or it used with the help of new operator. And if we do not specify any constructor in a Java program, then the Java compiler automatically provide it when we create an object. We can also say that in Java the constructor is implicitly called by Java compiler if we do not provide any constructor within our Java class. Then the constructor doesn't have any return type. Further, there are two types of constructor. First one is default constructor, which doesn't have any parameter in its header section, and the other one is parameterized constructor, in which we pass some values as a parameter to initialize some variables of a class or any purpose. Now let's see how we can make constructors in Java. For that, I'm opening my Eclipse IDE, making a class in my package. Class, that is, it can be anything. For example, I'm making a demo constructor by selecting public static void main and finish. Now this is my class, and here this is name of class and object. This is simple declaration of an object. Now I'm providing it some memory in computer with the help of Java compiler by using constructor. I can make this statement in a single line statement like demo construct dc1 is equal to new and name of the constructor. These are two ways to initialize the object with the help of constructor. In first case there is two steps. First one, declare an object, and in second step to initialize the object. Initialize object with constructor, and in second step we can make a single line statement by class name, after that object and constructor. Okay, this is our default constructor. These both type of constructors are default constructors because it doesn't provide any code for it in my Java class. If I execute it, nothing happen, no output, but simple it shows the execution. Okay, no output, that is why nothing is showing here. Now I'm making a constructor body. For that, simple same name as that okay, here is constructor. It automatically provide me. Let me make a clear one. Demo constructor. Now this is kind of user defined look like. If I want to show some message, object created. Now I execute it. Okay, here is our output. In my program I have two objects, DC and DC1. For that, the constructor system out println object created message is displayed. Now this is our simple constructor. If I do not provide it, then no output. If I provide it, then we got an output. Okay, we can use public here, no problem, in specifier. Now I'm going to show you some parameterized constructor. For that, let me make some variables, int a, and one is string. Okay, make it roll number and string as a name. Okay, the default constructor also help us to give some values here. Roll number is equal to, for example, 5000, and name is equal to something, and I want to show this statement, so let me remove here. Roll number plus concatenate roll number, and again plus, make a tab, name, concatenate name. Now if I use this constructor with both the object, then it gives same values and show the result two times. Roll number 5000 and name is Rohit. Now I'm making a parameterized constructor. This is my default one, default constructor. Now making parameterized. For that, let me copy these statements a little bit. Okay, no similar kind of constructor. I should make it as int rn, or okay, a simple rn, and string str. Now here rn and for Rohit, replace it with str. Now I'm using DC1 as a parameterized now. So let me make it as a parameter. Okay, let me make another. Copy this statement and paste it. Change the object name for DC2 and give some values over here for the 5001, comma, separator, and name, for example. Okay, let me execute it. So the first two are normal default constructor which has some particular values 5000 and Rohit, and the other one is parameterized constructor which has value 5000 as a roll number and name Mohit. So these values are over here. I can again use the same constructor with to some other object, copy it and paste, change the value. Okay, now this is another, and execute it. Object number DC3, roll number is 5002 and name. So this is simple example of default constructor and parameterized constructor. It is not necessary that we should provide each and every value to constructor parameter. We can make a constructor with single parameter or maybe number of parameters as per our program requirement. Now last thing I would like to share with you, that if I provide for example, if I provide return type to constructor, what will happen? Let's see. Making constructor simple default one, and okay, let me make this comment. So okay, now this is our again default one. First of all, return type with, for example, void. If I make a void it, then it shows a message for okay, the method has a constructor name. The method has a constructor name. So If we provide a return type over here, then the Java compiler treats it as a method. And if I use some numeric type return type like int, and suppose I want to return a numeric value like 0, and if we have system out println, try return type to constructor. If I execute, and now see here we have an error. The error shows the constructor is undefined, so we cannot use it as return type with the help of return type. So we have to convert it, change to constructor, and the constructor body says that it shouldn't have any return type. So this is our normal constructor. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.